Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this video again we are going to discuss about one more problem based on the trigonometric identities, and now let us start it. Okay, just see here, if cosecant theta minus sin theta equal to L and secant theta minus cos theta equal to M, then prove that L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3 should be equal to 1. Anyhow, before starting the problem, let us observe what is given and what we have to do. The given conditions are here cosecant theta minus sin theta equal to L and secant theta minus cos theta equal to M, and we need to show that L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3 equal to 1. Right? Like this we need to show. So what we need to show finally? L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3 equal to 1. So this is LHS part we need to take and we need to show it's equal to 1, which is RHS. LHS. What is LHS part? L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3. Now let us substitute the values of L and M in this expression. Put the value of L here. L value would be how much? Cosecant theta minus sin theta. So cosecant theta minus sin theta. So place is insufficient here. Let me do here, right? Okay. Cosecant theta minus sin theta whole square, L square. Okay, M square. M value would be how much? Secant minus cos. Secant theta minus cos theta whole square. Now L square again, L square plus M square means what? Again cosecant theta minus sin theta whole square plus secant theta minus cos theta to this whole square plus 3. Okay. What we have done till now? Nothing, just we have substituted the values of L and M here. We put here L values and M values, and now we need to do the further simplification. And for simplifying this problem, I am going to write entire expression in sin and cos terms. Now it is given in cosecant, secant and sin and cos, if you observe. Now let us convert all the factors into, all the terms into either sin or cos. So convert them. Just see. Here cosecant theta can be written as what? 1 by sin theta, because it is reciprocal of sin theta. Okay, so here 1 by sin theta. Okay, minus sin theta. What we have done? Cosecant theta is written as 1 by sin theta and sin theta we put as it is. Now secant theta can be written as what? 1 by cos theta, because secant theta and cos theta are reciprocals of each other. Anyways, to that whole square. Now here we need to change again. Here we need to go for this bracket now. Again cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta we can write here, minus sin theta whole square, plus here secant theta means we can write 1 by cos theta minus cos theta to that whole square we can write, and plus 3, right? Like this we can do. Now again for further simplification we have to take the LCMs. How to take the LCMs here? Just see here, how can we take LCM? Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Okay, 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta, right? Now we simplified this bracket to this whole square. Okay, once again I am telling you 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta to that whole square. Again here also 1 minus cos square theta, mean cos theta into cos theta by cos theta to that again whole square. Once again telling you here 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, we took LCM, so therefore cos theta into cos theta will be cos square theta, means 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta, right? For this also whole square is there. Okay, now Again same terms will be repeated also here. 1 by cos sin theta minus sin theta, doing cross multiplication means taking LCM, 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta whole square plus 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, you take LCM over here also, 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta whole square plus again 3, right. Now we had somehow simplified it is. Now again if you consider the trigonometric identity, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So if you replace this cos square theta to another side of the equation, then sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means if it goes to that side, then symbol changes. Okay, then after next, if you take this sin square theta to another side, then cos square theta will be left over here. 1 minus sin square theta, it can be written as it is moving to another side, its symbol changes to minus. So therefore 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, we can write it like that. Okay, now here if you observe carefully, 1 minus cos square theta will be always replaced by sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta will be always replaced by cos square theta. So replace here 1 minus sin square theta, you can observe, and here also 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, you can replace in 4 places with them, right. So just replace them. Here cos square theta, just put down the values, cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta, okay, sin theta to that whole square. 1 minus cos square theta is written as 1 minus sin square theta is written as cos square theta by sin theta is written to that whole square we put, because it is like that. Okay, 1 minus cos square theta can be into 1 minus cos square theta can be written as what? Sin square theta by cos theta into power 2 means whole square. Similarly, now here bracket is there. Now again 1 minus sin square theta can be written as what? Cos square theta by sin theta to this whole square plus 1 minus cos square theta again can be written as what? Sin square theta by cos theta, for this also whole square is there, and plus 3 we wrote as it is. Now we are simplifying this. Okay, now apply the square to both numerator and denominator part, because a by b whole power m can be written as a power m by b power m. A power m means cos square theta whole square, that can be written as cos power 4 theta, and here sin theta whole square would be sin square theta, means we applied this this square to both the numerator and denominator as per the laws of exponent. Now sin square theta whole square, that would be sin power 4 theta, cos theta power square would be cos square theta into, now same terms we have to apply here also, cos square theta whole square, that would be cos power 4 theta by sin theta to the square, sin square theta, plus here sin square theta whole square would be sin power 4 theta again by cos theta whole square, that would be cos square theta plus 3. Now we applied the squares to both numerators and denominators depending on laws of exponents. Now what we have to do, so see this here guys, till now we got here sin power 4 theta is in numerator part and sin square theta is there in denominator part. Here cos power 4 theta is there in numerator part and cos square theta is there in denominator part. We can cancel cos square theta and sin square theta from numerators and denominators. So sin square theta will goes 2 times and cos square theta also cancelled by 2 times. 2 cos square thetas will be cancelled from there. Okay. Now what is left over? Just see, cos square theta into sin square theta, as from cos power 4 theta, one cos square theta is cancelled, so cos square theta will be left over. Similarly, sin power 4 theta by sin square theta, sin square theta will be gone and sin square theta is left over. Now what we have to do here? Now what we have to do for next? Okay. Okay, continue. మధ్యలో కొంత పాజ్ వచ్చింది అయినా నో ప్రాబ్లం, యూ కెన్ కంటిన్యూ దిస్. ఓకే, నౌ జస్ట్ సీ cos square theta into, now you can take LCM for this second bracket. Coming to second bracket, you can simplify by taking LCMs of the denominator. Now tell me what is the LCM of the denominator over here. Just see, this is 1, so sin square theta, cos square theta, 1 square 1. For them LCM would be their product. What is that product? Sin square theta into cos square theta into 1. That would be sin square theta cos square theta. That is LCM. Now divide this sin square theta, divide this denominator with sin square theta, you get quotient cos square theta. Cos square theta into cos power 4 theta. Cos power 4 into cos square, that is cos power 6 theta. Plus, now again divide this sin square theta cos square theta with the cos square theta, then cos square theta will be cancelled and sin square theta will be quotient. With that, if you multiply sin power 4 theta, sin square into sin power 4, again sin power 6 theta. Okay, while dividing with 1, quotient will be sin square theta cos square theta and multiply it with 3, 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, now right like this we adjusted. Now if you observe here in the denominator part, sin square theta is sin square theta into cos square theta is there, and here also cos square theta sin square theta is there. So this can be cancelled over here, and only the remaining the term, the expression which is remained here is cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta plus cos square into cos square theta. Now for my convenience, I am going to write this as cos square theta whole cube, means cos power 6 theta can be further modified to what? Cos square theta whole cube. Can we write it like this or not? Exactly. So now sin power 6 theta also can be written as what? Sin square theta whole cube. Okay, sin square theta whole cube. Now let me write this as 3 sin square theta into cos square theta into 1. I am writing like this, into 1. Can we write into 1 or not? Any number can be written as that number into 1. There will be no change in that, no. What is identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, no. So here the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta will be always 1 for every value of theta, for all value of theta. So just see, wherever there is a 1, can we replace that with sin square theta plus cos square theta or not? Yes, depending on the situation. If there is a 1, okay, there we can put the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta. So can we put here sin square theta plus cos square theta or not? Yes, here we can replace this 1 with the sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so here what did you observe? If you carefully observe, if you consider cos square theta as A and sin square theta as B, then this is in the form of what? A cube plus B cube, sin square cos square whole cube sin square theta whole cube plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta means what? 3 sin square theta cos square theta means 3AB into sin square theta plus cos square theta means A plus B. Is that right or not? We considered this, I mean we obtained the form of A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. This is an expansion of which special product, which algebraic identity? Yes, exactly, a plus b whole cube. Understood? It's a standard formula from algebra. What does it gives? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. Right? So it is there in that form only. So can we write this as a plus b whole cube or not? Yes. The value of this entire expansion is a plus b whole cube, where a is cos square theta plus b is sin square theta, means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube. Got it or not? Again, if you observe here, this would be what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is a standard identity or not? Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta value would be 1. So therefore 1 cube, which is equal to 1. Did we obtain this RHS part or not? Exactly, we completed that. Okay, so therefore we obtained RHS. That's it. And here for solving this problem, your key point would be, when you obtained sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, there you need to consider it into 1, and in place of 1 you need to put sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is the key point, otherwise you can't solve it. Okay. So then we can consider this expansion as expansion in the form of a plus b whole cube. Then we wrote a plus b whole cube, where a plus b is sin square theta plus cos square theta, which for which the value is going to be 1, and 1 cube is 1 itself. Okay. So this is what the solution for this entire problem. And here also we have eliminated the theta, where we took L square m square into L square plus m square plus 3 equal to what? 1. Okay. So we obtained this relation. So there is no theta existing in this relation. Okay. So we eliminated the theta here also.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.